Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. I have these very important work tasks that I want to move over into my very important home tasks. And what I did is I took this URL and I passed it over to Gemini, where I asked it to import the value of A1 using this sheet, and I want to pass it into another Google Sheet. And then it gave me this formula. And now when I go to apply it, I want to take this this value here, A1, and I'm going to put it down here. Control V. That should work. Nope, that did not work. Let's put the function there. Okay, there it is. So import range. If I hit enter, I should get a value, but oh, I need to allow access. And there it is. So I'll attend the mandatory how to attend meeting seminar, which is identical to this value here. Now, if I decide that in fact I need to add my TPS report, I'm going to go here and then just change the value from A1 to A6. And I now have my TPS report as one of my tasks. All right, thanks for watching. That's how to import data from one sheet to another. Again, thanks for watching. If this has been useful for you, please click like, subscribe, share. It does help my algorithm. Thank you for your time. Happy computing.